What's up everyone? We all know van life isn't all just fun and games. Today's video is about our van life chores and we're starting now.
Today we're heading to do a chore that we have been dreading this entire time. We've been on the road for about a little over 2 weeks and we haven't done this chore once, ever. Even in our first little mini trip up north, we never did it. But today we're about to embark on it. I'm not so sure why this task has been so daunting to Ben and I, other than the fact that we've never actually gone to a laundromat. We've always been fortunate enough to have washer and dryers in our houses or even a laundry facility within our apartment complexes. So I guess it's just the fear of the unknown. And a lot of people don't like to do things that they've never done before for obvious reasons, fear of the unknown. So maybe it's just one of those.
And now we wait. But I think we're gonna head next door, grab a bagel, and grab some coffee. That way we have a little bit more motivation to wrap up this laundry.
So a kind of funny thing that happened while we were there, we were in there doing laundry. I was actually changing the clothes from the washer to the dryer, and another couple comes in and starts asking me questions on how to do everything. So like I said before, people are just uncomfortable with the unknown. They didn't know what to do. They were asking me because I'd already been through it. So I guess we're all alike at some point when we have to use the laundromat. Now that our clothes and everything are clean, it's time to get this van cleaned up. Gross.
And don't let the small space fool you. Just because it's small doesn't necessarily mean it will clean up quickly. It does sweep up pretty quickly, but I mean, man, there is dust in all the nooks, all the crannies, all these little grooves that someone thought was a good idea to have all over the place. Oh man, it's just been a nightmare with dust in here, but we are about to get to it and about to nip all of that.
It's hard to see when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
So this van was super dusty, super dirty. All of the wind from like the desert was all in this van. It was driving me bonkers, driving my allergies crazy. It was constantly blowing my nose, still stuffy, especially cleaning all this stuff. I've had nosebleeds.
I had one.
So I don't know if it's all the dust, the elevation, altitude, whatever it is, but my allergies are going crazy. So hopefully all this being dust-free, well, as good as we can get it, will at least help that. On the way back from our excursion to seek out Ben's wallet, which we failed, but we stopped at this restaurant called Curry Pizza. It's this amazing Indian restaurant. We got a pizza, a bindi special, and some veggie tikka masala. So tonight for dinner, to make things a little bit easier, we're just gonna heat up some of that veggie tikka and enjoy. Like that, we've already got a dirty floor. Life with Ben. He can't be trusted.
It's day 2 of our chores and we're just waking up in the most epic urban campground. We're about to head over to the general store, do a little grocery shopping, and be on our way. Show them where we are, Jay. Well, if you can't tell, we're at Walmart.
We also were able to, at this general store, we were able to recycle.
The campground. Babe.
Yeah.
Recycling in the campground.
Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Recycling in the campground and groceries in the campground. So I think we pretty much scored on this trip.
And we didn't actually camp here last night, but sometimes you just gotta pop in the campground to say what's up. And the pineapple bubbly. I drank Jelaine's last one and she's been on to me about it ever since, so should be happy now. Cheese! The essentials. Put a shower in your van. That way you have extra storage. It's the problem about going to the grocery store and having a small space is it's hard to find areas to put everything. Trash day. Since we rely 100% on our battery bank to keep us charged up, it's absolutely necessary to keep our solar panels as clean as possible. That way we can ensure they're producing the max amount of power as we can get out of them. And you can see what a difference it makes. Disgusting.
Now that all of our chores are done, we're on to the next location. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about any of the chores we do or anything else, leave them in the comments below and consider subscribing. And we'll see you at our next location. Bye!